my GoPro on me, but I'm headed home. I just got off work and had to run to Ace and grab some things. I've got a fun little project I'm doing today, and I figure I'll take you guys along with me. I haven't uploaded any videos for a while. Been having some electrical issues with my house where half of my house loses power just randomly, so I haven't been able to get on the computer to upload anything, and I haven't really been doing anything. This is Alexander Reservoir. It's thawing out now, but it's still pretty frozen, and that's how pretty much every reservoir is around here. It's kind of exciting though to see it thawing that much. But haven't been able to do any kind of fishing or anything. Just kind of been being lazy and working, not doing anything fun. But I have been buying things, and you'll see those things here shortly. It's going to be a fun project. I've never done anything like it before, so we will see how it turns out. And come along and watch me hopefully not ruin the project. Alright, we're headed out. You don't get to see what the project is until I get over there. Going over to my property. Gonna go over and get started setting stuff up. It's gonna take me a while to set everything up. It's a pretty big project. It's gonna take me probably a couple of days to finish it. Just to give you a little bit of a clue or a hint, this is a project that I've been working on for about a year, just a little under a year. It's been a pretty fun project. Like I said, I mean, the winter came and kind of limited on what I'm able to do during the winter, so it's starting to warm up and I'm able to kind of get out and get stuff going, and it's gonna be fun. So stay tuned and we'll get things set up, and I'll kind of give you a tour and let you see what I'm gonna do. Already, this is my boat. I bought this boat from my grandparents last year. I've been completely redoing it, gutting it, and last year I got all the paint off of it, all the interior shit pulled out of it, and was working on changing that up. Today, I'm doing all the electronics. I've got a fish finder, I've got lights, I've got a horn. I got all the bells and whistles today, so we're gonna get that stuff installed. So I'm gonna try to record as much as I can, but I've got to run a generator because we don't have power over here. So yeah, I might not, but I'll take breaks every now and then and kind of walk you through it. So okay, so this is just to give you an idea of all the stuff that I'm actually installing into the boat today. I'm gonna try to get it done today. So these are the lights I've got. There's 4 of them. There'll be 2 on the front and 2 on the back. This is my Hummingbird fish finder. It is the Piranha Max 197 SD or CDI. can't really see this, but this is a cigarette USB port. Some rocker switches with the horn button. The horn. One of the battery chargers, I've already got the other one set up. My bow light. Some boards for the electric cords. Wires. Some soldering stuff. All my wire connectors. Shrink tubing. Some fuse holders, because I'm going to install some fuses. I never cleaned it out. I took it out several times last year just the way it is. So I've got to clean it out, pull all the stuff out of it, and start wiring some accessories on it. I'm trying to get the motivation up to start cleaning the boat out. I gotta pull the old battery out. I might as well just get started, so stay tuned. Alright, so I'm doing pretty bad at keeping the GoPro going. I ran into a couple hiccups and it took me a bit to fix it with the transducer mounting it for my fish finder. But I will show you what I've gotten done so far. Let me clarify. Everything is not wired. The things that I have on are just hooked up and mounted and secured and everything. They're ready to be wired, but I still have a whole bunch of other things. I still need to put the bow light on. I need to put my rocker switch on, my USB port on, my horn. And after I get all that put on, then I have to go start wiring everything. So, alright, so I've got so far, I've got my pretty badass lights mounted on there. I'm going to test them out tonight, make sure they work good. I've got two of them mounted up front, the other one's over there. The other one's right here, nice and secure. Then, this is what was a pain in the ass. So, I figured that'd be a good spot to mount it, so as I'm driving my boat I can see any fish. As you can see right there, there's the wire for the transducer that runs up and under. Like I said, that's the only thing that's actually hooked up as far as electronics go. And here's, it comes out right here, comes down, comes out right here, and it's bolted down. And then here's the transducer itself. I still need to put some caulk on the inside of those screws, but that's her all mounted up. So, like I said, we've got the bow light to put up. Got my rocker switches, my horn, and my USB and cigarette adapter to go on. Once I get that done, I'm expecting a package from FedEx. It's got my 10 gauge wire, which is what I'm going to use for my battery. My battery cables is going to be the 10 gauge. This wire that I got is for extending the cables on all of my accessories, especially the lights on the back, because I've got to run them up. I'm going to try to keep all the wires running on one side of the boat, keep it more organized and nice looking. But she's coming along slowly but surely. But I mean, the hard part, the part that's going to take the longest is when I start doing the wiring, because I'm doing it right. I'm not going to do any of this half shit. I'm soldering wires or heat shrinking the tube on there and stuff to make sure it's nice and waterproof. Which I'm gonna have to go back to my house when I start doing that, because I forgot my heat gun. So stay tuned. Okay, so the boat is finished. I'll give you the tour. All right. So obviously, like you guys saw, we've got the backlights. And again, we've got the transducer right here. All wired in right through there. I need to tighten those wires up a bit. I had to do a little bit of fixing before I got you on. There's a fish finder. There's the front headlight. There's my bow light. Red and green bow light. There's the other headlight. Okay, climb up in here. There's my rocker switch panel. I've got a USB to cigarette lighter adapter voltage reader. I've got a power switch right here for my battery, so I'll flip that on. Now, as you can see, we've got power. We'll flip the lights on. They turn green when you flip them on. Working light. Working bow light. Working light. Working light. Working light. All right. Flip those off. Then we've got the horn. And again, like I said, that off, on. All right. There she go. Turn that off now. Alright, now I'm going to show you something, but I have to start the generator to show you this. You're probably wondering why I have an extension cord running in here. This is a battery charger. It's hooked up to my battery, and then it comes over here and plugs in. So I haven't tested it yet to see if it works, but we're gonna find out. See if it'll start charging the battery. You can tell it says charging. So it works. Now all I have to do, if you can hear me, I just got to get a motor. The motor Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.